Hello world! I know guys, many of you asking into who is with Michele at Hungary. Here's the answer from Aromanian News, Can. It headline, there is no doubt about it, Michele Morone exposed in the hotel room where he spent time with his Romanian girlfriend. The relationship between Michele and Bogdana seems to be getting more and more serious. The two spent the night of the New Year's Eve together and walked into 2025 side by side. Although the two lovers do not appear together and do their best to keep their relationship away from prying eyes, they still miss a hint, especially our Romanian. Michele and Bogdana spent New Year's Eve at a resort in Hungary, and from the stories posted by the two recently, everything connects them if we go by the chronological trend of the story. First, Bogdana posted the photo of her passport arriving in Italy. Bogdana, along with Michele and his two children, took a plane to Budapest. Once in Hungary, Michele and his two children went karting, a location that is located in the same resort where Bogdana quickly made the story, but he made sure to make the name of the complex legible behind him. But the best part is yet to come. That's because Bogdana hit with another pose right from her hotel room. At first glance, nothing unusual. She is in the foreground while taking a picture of herself in front of a mirror. But what do we have here? Behind Bogdana on the bed, Michele's long-sleeve shirt is clearly visible. The shirt that he wore when he announced that he would play the main role in the movie The Housemaid. That is the content of the Can News. Guys, it's up to all of you if you will believe it or not. As for me, the truth is between the two people involved. Whether it is true or not, we are all entitled to find love, to feel the love and be loved at the right person, at the right time, at the right situation. Happy day to all! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!